Hi there, this is Patrick from Classic Bike Mirrors, and today I will demonstrate how you can take the trip meter knob off. For this it's quite handy to have this pick tool and also mark where the hook is. And what we will do is, normally these trip meter knobs I'm discussing here don't have the hole. So you have some that the later models that have this hole where the screw is inside. That's a totally different approach. For this one, where it's directly screwed onto the trip meter shaft, you need to get it off clockwise. That means you have to rotate it in this position. Now, if you're lucky, someone has done this before and you can take it off quite easily. But sometimes they are stuck so tight, you need to get this tool to get it out. Nippon Seiki has made a hole specially for this. So you can insert this tool. And now you have to be very careful because there are some delicate parts inside. You have to position this hook on the outside. I will show this on another instrument that I have here. This one is open, it's broken, but it gives me a chance to show exactly where you need to put this hook. Because actually you're going to put it on the plastic piece of this trip meter reset knob. And what you will do with this hook is you will pull it towards you, and that way you will create some drag inside of this bearing, and then the trip meter knob should come loose. So now, without further ado, we're going to do this. We'll put the pick tool inside, and when you hear this sound, it means you have reached the face, because this is the sound the face makes. Now you have to slightly get it outside, on the outside, and then you pull it. When you have reached it, you have to pull it down, and then you have to rotate clockwise, like so. And you should be able to get it off. Now if you look inside, you can see my hook is clamping this shaft down, and that's all it takes. Now you can take the tool out and you're all set. If you have any issues with getting these trip meter knobs off, then contact me. I know how to free them without damaging anything. So I hope this helps. If you found my video useful, then leave a comment in the section below and like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for watching.